What if I tell you, you can make money without selling anything, without investing a single rupee and without convincing people to buy expensive products? Imagine, you simply share an 83% discount code. Someone saves a huge amount of money, and you earn a 37% commission. Sounds fake, but let me show you how it actually works. Stay tuned till the end of this video. I will share a pro tip at the end. If you've ever searched on YouTube, Affiliate Marketing India, how to earn money online, best side hustle, or passive income ideas, you've probably seen the same suggestions. Sell hosting, sell Amazon Flipkart products, sell trading apps, sell courses, sell VPNs. Thousands of creators are promoting the exact same products. Competition is huge. Conversions are difficult. Most beginners earn absolutely nothing. But what if instead of convincing people to spend more money, you help them save money? People love discounts, especially in India. Think about it. Flipkart Big Billion Days, Amazon Great Indian Festival, Swiggy coupons, Zomato offers. People actively search for discounts every single day. Now imagine offering someone an 83% discount on something that can actually help grow their business. That's much easier than convincing someone to buy an expensive product. This is where Taraz comes in. Taraz is an online marketplace where local skilled professionals can showcase their services and connect with customers, like plumbers, electricians, AC technicians, carpenters, beauticians, photographers, tutors, interior designers, freelancers, and many more. To encourage early adoption, we launched something called the Taraz Promoter Program. How it works? The process is incredibly simple. Step 1. Join the Taraz Promoter Program. It's completely free. Step 2. You'll receive your own unique invite code. Think of it as your personal 83% discount code. Step 3. Share that code with local professionals. When they register using your invite code, they receive an 83% discount on their onboarding fee. They're happy because they save money. And because they joined using your referral, you earn a 37% commission. No selling, no inventory, no customer support, no delivery. Just help professionals discover Taraz. Why it converts better? Ask yourself this. Which is easier? Convincing someone to spend 5,000 rupees or showing them how to save 83%? That's why this opportunity is different. You're not pushing a product. You're offering value first. People naturally pay attention when they hear the words 83% discount. That's exactly why this works. Who should join? This opportunity is perfect if you are an Instagram creator, a YouTuber, a college student, a freelancer, a digital marketer, a WhatsApp group admin, a Telegram community owner, a Facebook page admin, or simply someone who knows local service professionals. If you know just 5 electricians, 5 plumbers, or 5 freelancers, you already have people who might genuinely benefit. Why join early? Here's something smart one understands. The biggest opportunities usually don't come after everyone starts talking about them. They come before the crowd arrives. Right now, Taraz is still in its early growth stage. That means you're not competing with thousands of promoters yet. Every day, more creators, micro-influencers, and digital marketers are discovering this opportunity. The question is, will you be the one introducing Taraz to your community? Or you are going to be someone, I knew about this when it first launched. What next? If you'd like to start, visit taraz.com and register yourself. Click search button where you will see join promoter program button. Click it and register yourself as a promoter, then navigate to promoter dashboard. Get your invite code. Start helping local professionals save money and earn commission whenever someone joins using your referral. The pro tip is, the most important thing you should know before promoting Taraz is why would a plumber, electrician, or freelancer join Taraz? This video answers that question. And once you know the answer, promoting becomes much easier. So don't miss it. If this video helped you, like it. Subscribe for next big update. Share this video with your influencer or marketing friend. I'll see you in the next one.